Yeah, actually that does look pretty legit. So blinds here off the edge. I think we put like 180 skinnies out, stretched out pretty decent. Bulk of the pile upwind, which is no longer upwind because it just changed. Now the wind's going this way, so it's still kind of the same. We just put 2 mojos out just in case we see some duckies, which we have been seeing, not necessarily in this field, but we talked to the farmer yesterday. He said birds were in here and there, so we hunt this field because it's a little bit further away from the road, but we'll see how it works. Might be a little tight here. Might have to push those out as the day goes on. River runs right there. They should literally come over this treetop high or not much higher than that, and hopefully get in here. Those 2 are coming back, dude. Here, those 2 are coming in hard to your right. They're set up to your right.
I didn't get up, I just sat and waited and waited and pulled the trigger.
Oh, they're not coming here. Here they come. Oh, they're coming hard to our right, dude. Get ready, they're gonna come right over our right shoulder and we're gonna shoot when they go over. You wanna do that, or you wanna see them if they decoy, or just shoot them on the pass?
If they're low enough, shoot them.
They're low, dude. Oh, hell, they're gonna be shooters over our top. Get ready. Kill him!
There we go, I got that last one.
I don't think I killed one out of that.
I got one.
I literally don't think I killed one out of that.
Panel. Alright.
Son of a bitch, you gotta be kidding me.
Panel.
I'm watching the ones to our right.
Yeah, these guys are gonna hit.
Well, we're gonna let the single do it. Shit. Two. Nice.
Two. Camel.
Who did the second one? You?
Yeah.
Send him. Who cares? Yeah. I was like, dude, if I whiff on this, I'm unloading my gun.
Ace. Hold my shells. Ace.
I thought the bigger group was gonna do it, but I'm not gonna. We're gonna take what we can get. There's. They coming this way or no? Here they come, dude. No, they're gonna do it perfect. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Kill him.
Ah, rebind it. Two head trays over. There's one right above you. You want to get him? There's only three. There you go, sir.
Well, got it done. We're missing a bird. So we counted pretty good, I thought. So we were putting the birds behind us. So I'm not sure if it skedaddled away or what, but we could have swore we had 12 and there's only 11 birds here. So not sure what happened. It's probably the worst shooting that I had of the season and may have well cost us a limit. Unless we just miscounted or what, but there's 11 birds here and there should be 12. So I'm not sure what happened. What happened, Nick?
He went that way.
Oh. Okay.